Hi, whether you're brand new to Rendair or you've been with us for a while, welcome. You might notice things look a little different around here. We've made some big improvements to the platform, so let me give you a quick tour of what's new and help you get familiar with the updated workspace. Let's start with the dashboard. This is your main dashboard and homepage. You'll see a summary of your account, recent activity, notifications, and helpful resources, and a few shortcuts to help get you started. Nothing too complicated, just a cleaner place to start your work every time you open Rendair. Now let's jump into apps. This is where most of the magic happens. We've brought all of our workflows together in one place, so whatever you're trying to do, there's probably an app for that. Want to turn a daytime render into a night shot? There's an app for that. Need to add people, change materials, create videos, upscale images? Just pick the result you're trying to achieve and let the app do the work. You'll also notice that many of your favorite workflows are still here, like image to render, upscale, and render variation. We now support a huge range of AI models, so you can experiment and find the style that works best for your project. And don't worry about keeping up with all the new AI updates. We've made sure you've always had access to the latest and best models, and by default, Rendair will automatically select the best option for the task you're working on. One of my personal favorites is Edit Canvas. You can directly sketch over an image, write what you want to change, and let AI update the design for you while you keep the control in hand. You can also extend images, crop them, replace objects, make quick visual edits without jumping between tools. I'll leave the rest of the apps for you to explore. Now let's talk about chat. Chat is another great way to access many of the tools Rendair offers, but through conversation. Instead of opening a specific app, you can simply tell the chat assistant what it is you want to do. For example, add a woman cooking in the kitchen, turn this into an evening render, replace the flooring with this wooden texture, and Rendair will figure out which workflow to use behind the scenes. It's often the fastest way to get something done, and you can also use it to ask any question you have. It remembers your projects, preferences, and past conversations, making it easier to get things done. Next up is assets. This is where all of your creations, designs, and iterations live. We can think of it as your personal library. You can browse everything you've created, organize work into folders, search older generations, and filter by apps or models. So if you're wondering where that design variation from 3 weeks ago went, you'll probably find it here. We also have the Explore tab, where you can browse work created by other architects and designers. It's a great place to find inspiration, discover new workflows, and see how others are using Rendair on their own projects. And finally, Boards. This is probably the feature we're most excited to share with you. Boards is a collaborative workspace where you can collect references, create mood boards, leave notes, organize ideas, and even generate or edit images directly on the canvas. Instead of jumping between different tools, files, and folders, you can keep everything related to a project in one place. And if you're working with teammates or clients, you can just invite them to your board and work together in the same shared space. You'll be able to see each other's cursors, collaborate in real time, leave comments, and review ideas together. It's honestly become one of our favorite ways to use Rendair. That's it for a quick tour. I won't keep you any longer because I'm sure you're excited to jump in and start creating. There's a lot more to discover, but hopefully this gives you a good starting point. Have fun exploring, and we can't wait to see what you create.